Bitcoin is trading inside of this massive downtrend, and this is going to be a massive Bitcoin warning. And I can tell you already, it is not going to be what you expect. So let's talk about that exactly, because what is going to be happening next in the month of October? When is Bitcoin possibly going to be creating that higher low and is going to be bottoming out before that next rally towards the upside? Well guys, we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's at short term. And yes, honestly, in that short term, Bitcoin is still looking very weak. We are still trading inside of this downtrend over here, and at the same time in the short term, we are having a very important level of resistance right over here that is currently being tested. Now, I do think it is going to be very likely that we are going to be seeing some more consolidation inside of this downward sloping channel over here, but honestly, if we're going to be having a look in towards the charts, it may very well be possible as well to be seeing a bounce towards the upside right now already, because we have been having a look into this falling wedge pattern. I've been saying yesterday that it is going to be very likely that we are going to be just creating another low over here, and we're going to be seeing one more touch point inside of this falling wedge, and then we're going to be seeing this break towards the upside. Right now, we are finally starting to see this breakout towards the upside. Yes, we are breaking outside of this downtrending level of resistance, so this could be indicating that a little bit of a bigger bounce could be inevitable. Now, at the same time, we can also be having a look into this bullish divergence, and yes, we have exactly been forming that double Bitcoin bullish divergence I've been talking about yesterday. So yes, strength is coming in that short term, so a little bit of a bounce is of course to be expected, but first of all, I want to be seeing us actually breaking above this level of resistance. If we can be breaking above this level of resistance, definitely I think a bigger bounce from of this level of support is going to be inevitable. But if we're not going to be seeing this break above this level over here, just some consolidation further inside of this channel is going to be more likely. So a little bit of a decision moment right now being created at this current moment. Anyways, this is going to be a big Bitcoin warning. Why? Because, well, many people are getting fools right now, right? Many people are getting trapped at this current moment. A lot of people have been getting very excited because of October and of course Q4, and because of this, well, we have been seeing a huge rally already towards the upside. But right now, when October has actually been getting started, we've actually been seeing a crash and a dip towards the downside. This is a little bit of a buy the rumors, sell the news event, but eventually, because October is statistically actually a very bullish month, I do think that we are going to be eventually coming back up towards the upside to be ending off October as a very bullish month. But right now, just at the beginning of this month of October, just shake out everyone that has been getting very excited at the beginning. Well, right now they are getting trapped and they are going to be getting shaken out, and then we're going to be seeing this push towards the upside. In my opinion, that's going to be very likely. Also, if we're going to be having a look into this chart over here, usually when we are starting the month of bearish, well, we are ending off the month actually very bullish. This has been happening already for 3 times in Bitcoin history, and one time before we have started the month very bullish, we've ended off the month very bearish over here. So right now it is just happening again, starting off the month bearish, so we could as well just very well end of this month of October very bullish. So let's see, I do think it is going to be making a lot of sense. October is still statistically a very bullish month for Bitcoin. Anyways, then that question is just going to be, where are we going to be putting in this higher low, and when is this next rally towards the upside going to be beginning? Now, I do think that there's already going to be a very good scenario that we're going to be bottoming out from of these levels we're currently sitting at already, from of this level of support. But if we're just going to be losing this level of support, I think we're going to be coming back down towards the 57.5k level, and then we're going to be seeing a bottom from of that level over there. Then we're going to be putting in our higher low from of that 57.5k level, and then we're going to be seeing this next rally towards the upside getting initiated. Because what you do need to understand is that we have already been flipping this downtrend structure over here in towards an uptrend right now, right over here, with this equal low being created, or possibly even a higher low being created if you're going to be counting the wicks, right? And also right over here, a higher high being created, higher than this previous high over here. So yeah, right now trading inside of this uptrend, a higher low is going to be inevitable in my opinion. So this is going to be a huge warning for you right now in the Bitcoin price. While Bitcoin might be crashing in the short term and might be looking very bearish in the short term, well guys, do not get fooled, because if we're just going to be zooming out, it is still just looking very good for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, having a look into the stock market is still just consolidating at these previous levels of all-time highs. Right now, these previous level of resistance right now turning into support. So definitely, in my opinion, this is looking very good. Anyways, guys, having a look into a Bitcoin funding rates, these are looking still so bullish in my opinion. Below the neutral levels, majority of the Bitcoin market is trading short, which means that it is going to be more likely that we're going to be seeing another push towards the upside. Usually the majority of the traders are wrong in the market. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that first link down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a 40k deposit bonus. So definitely make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. These are going to be some insane bonuses which you can right now be claiming, so make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, guys, yes, in that longer time frame, Bitcoin is still just consolidating. It has been getting a beautiful and exact rejection from of this level of resistance over here, but eventually whenever we are going to be seeing this breakout, because of course the more times we're going to be knocking on this door, the more likely it is going to be getting this breakout. Eventually we're going to be getting this breakout, and whenever we are going to be getting this breakout over here, well guys, the rally towards the upside is going to be insane. So make sure to be prepared for that exactly. Anyways, having a look into a Bitcoin to gold chart, well, this is looking very bullish. We're creating this cup and handle pattern right now, trading inside of this bull flag pattern, this handle right now. Eventually, I do think we're going to be seeing a massive breakout towards the upside, and I am getting prepared right now at this current moment already. Anyways, having a look into the elections, because the elections are going to be coming up right now in almost 1 month from now. Now, Trump and Harris are going side by side right now for already quite a long time, so it is getting very, very excited. Who is going to be winning? Anyways, I've been seeing some people actually saying that the elections are not going to be having an effect on the market, but if we're just going to be having a look into this chart over here, definitely the elections are having a huge effect on the Bitcoin market. First, we're going to be having the Bitcoin halving. After that, we're always going to be having the presidential elections, and after the presidential elections, then Bitcoin has always started to go parabolic towards the upside. So I think it is about to be starting anytime soon. It is going to be having a massive effect on the market, regardless on who is going to be winning. Now, if Trump is going to be winning, it's going to be having an even more bullish effect on the market. But anyways, with that being said, we're still just going to be waiting very patiently until eventually we're going to be getting this breakout. Right now, this is not the time yet where we should be going all in, but at the moment where we are going to be seeing this massive breakout, then guys, we're going to be exploding towards the upside. But right now, still waiting patiently until our breakout. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.